Lucas.
Kitty, here we go. No. Hi. Really? Why? Why you gotta be like that?
I've had that wrath before. It's been really special.
Really? At home? Oh great, you're taking pictures? This is great.
No, just taking this video because people don't actually believe me when I say how mean he is.
I know. You tell me all about it. Cats have their own personal language when it comes to... Hi.
His is very R-rated.
Yes. This is almost... Ooh, hi.
Does she still get the award? Does she get the award yet?
Really? We only have 1.5 more.
We got enough of that one, Andrew.
Oh, buddy. Come on.
Do you get to do this all day? Oh, Lucas, come on, man. Oh my God.
Really? In the sink? Let's just get rid of this. Well, I'm going to get poked with it. I don't want him to get poked with it. Hi, Pumpkin. Come here.
Holy cow.
You want to try for the microchip or not?
No. Okay.